Hello. Today I sit before you humbled and honored to have been selected as the recipient of the 2022 Schulich School of Engineering Canadian Engineering Leader Award. In 1976, I entered the halls of the University of Calgary Engineering School as a 17-year-old, and during the next 4 years, I worked hard, I played hard, I was taught how to logically analyze problems and situations, I experienced many life lessons, I made many lifelong friends, and I graduated with a BSc in mechanical engineering. After working in the oil industry for 6 years, I went back to school for an MBA, and in 1988, I started working at Engineered Air, a Calgary-based custom heating, ventilating, and air conditioning equipment manufacturer. At that time, I was looking at ways to give back to the University of Calgary Engineering School. Initially, I annually presented a session to the fourth-year mechanical engineering class on heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system design. I then hosted that class for a plant tour at one of Engineered Air's Calgary manufacturing facilities. A brief hiatus occurred in 1993 to 1997 when I was transferred to Kansas City to set up Engineered Air's U.S. Operations Engineering Department. Upon my return to Calgary in 1998, Nima Dorji invited me to join the Engineering Internship Advisory Council, which culminated in me chairing the council for the 2004-2005 school year. In 2005, the then Dean of Engineering, Chan Wersing, invited me to join the Engineering Industry Advisory Council, which I remain on today. Throughout my years of volunteering to the school, I have attempted to add perspectives on school conversations that could help it make well thought out informed decisions. I have always been cognizant that the end goal is to make the Schulich School of Engineering a leading program at the University of Calgary and amongst competing educational institutions in Alberta, in Canada, and around the world. Thank you to all hearing this message for your support of the engineering school. In closing, I would like to thank Bill Rosehart and his team for the honor of selecting me for this recognition. I will always cherish this award, and I will continue to be passionate about promoting the Schulich School of Engineering.
Good evening. On behalf of Elliston, I'm extremely pleased and honored to accept the 2021 Dean's Award for Corporate Leadership. We are and have been a longtime supporter of the University of Calgary, in particular the Schulich School of Engineering, with research and funding, as well as educational activities such as internships and co-op placements. Elliston has been involved in the planning and construction of many U of C projects, and several of these projects involve graduates from the Schulich School of Engineering. And I can tell you those grads take great pride in contributing to the success and positive growth of the program. We will continue to support the U of C and the Schulich programs and efforts in any way we can to enable leaders of tomorrow to develop and hone their skills. We share this award with Elliston employees, business partners, colleagues, subtrades, and friends. Without them, we would not be here today. Finally, Elliston would like to thank the University of Calgary, Schulich School of Engineering, our Dean, Dr. Bill Rosehart, and all of you listening tonight. Thank you.